I was just going through your book and came to know that you're an alumni of IIT and IIM. So, how come you came into spiritualism?
I found this far more important than anything else that one can do as a person or as a professional or as an engineer or as a manager. This is tremendously more important, not only for me, but for everybody, but for the world. So it was a very natural decision, obvious, gradual, and irreversible. You see, one takes higher education, and we often say that the purpose of education is to liberate, is to set the individual free. So it is natural that if one is receiving education from institutes of repute, institutes of quality, then that education should enable the individual to chart an even more free path. Education cannot become something that limits, something that sends people only in predetermined directions. So I had my calling, I had the guidance of the heart, and all that my education, the formal education, could give me was used in service of that which was calling, that which was important. That's how it happened.